Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the nutritional benefits of pumpkin seeds, exploring why they are a valuable addition to our diets. Let's begin with a nutritional overview. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, promoting muscle health. They also contain fiber, aiding digestion, along with healthy fats that support heart health. Additionally, they provide a range of essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's delve into the health benefits. Pumpkin seeds contribute to heart health by providing healthy fats and supporting the immune system with their antioxidant properties. They also aid in digestion and offer benefits for skin and hair health. One notable feature of pumpkin seeds is their antioxidant content. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, contributing to overall health and disease prevention. Moving on to magnesium, an essential mineral found abundantly in pumpkin seeds. Magnesium supports bone health, muscle function, and sleep regulation, making it a valuable nutrient for our overall well-being. Discovering new ways to enjoy pumpkin seeds is not only exciting but also beneficial for your health. Consider tossing them into salads or pasta for that perfect crunch and nutritional boost. For a sweet treat, try crafting energy bites with pumpkin seeds, oats, honey, and dried fruits. If savory is your preference, a homemade pumpkin seed pesto adds a flavorful twist to your favorite dishes. The options are endless, making it easy to incorporate these nutritious seeds into your daily meals. When it comes to purchasing and storing pumpkin seeds, opt for raw, unsalted varieties. To maintain their nutritional value, store them in a cool, dark place. While rare, it's important to be aware of potential side effects or allergies associated with pumpkin seeds. If any discomfort arises, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable. To sum it up, pumpkin seeds are a small addition to our diets that can make a significant impact on our well-being. Thank you for joining today's exploration of the nutritional benefits of pumpkin seeds.